everyone, welcome to 4sidestv with me Anjali. In today's digital age, protecting your personal information is of utmost importance. Scammers and fraudsters are constantly on the lookout for ways to misuse your sensitive data. One way to safeguard your Aadhaar card and prevent unauthorized access is by locking it online. In this guide, we will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to secure your Aadhaar card effectively. Let's delve into the importance of locking your Aadhaar card and how it can enhance the security of your sensitive information. Here's a special report from 4sidestv. The Aadhaar card is a crucial document utilized in various aspects of life such as government services and financial transactions. However, the loss or theft of your Aadhaar card can result in serious issues including identity theft and fraud. To protect your personal information and prevent misuse, you have the option to lock your Aadhaar card. This process ensures the security of your biometrics and other sensitive details. Here are the steps to lock your Aadhaar card, providing an additional layer of protection for your identity. Understanding Aadhaar lock and unlock locking your Aadhaar card is a valuable security measure that safeguards your identity from potential scammers. By locking your Aadhaar card, you secure your biometric data and other personal information, preventing unauthorized individuals from misusing your Aadhaar card. To lock your Aadhaar card, simply follow these steps to lock your Aadhaar card and ensure the safety of your personal information. Online method. Visit the official UIDAI website, go to the My Aadhaar tab, choose Aadhaar services from the available options, click on the Aadhaar lock or unlock option, select the lock UID option, provide your Aadhaar card number, full name and PIN code. Click the send OTP button, enter the OTP received on your registered mobile number and submit the request. By following these steps, your Aadhaar card will be successfully locked, adding an extra layer of protection to your sensitive information. Locking your Aadhaar card via SMS. Alternatively, you can lock your Aadhaar card through SMS using the following steps. Send an SMS with the content "Get OTP, last 4 digits of Aadhaar" to 1947 from your registered mobile number. For example, if your Aadhaar number is 223344556677, the message would be "Get OTP 6677." You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Send another SMS to 1947 with the content "Lock UID, last 4 digits of Aadhaar, OTP." For instance, if your Aadhaar number is 223344555677 and your OTP is 123456, the message would be "Lock UID 6677123456. After this, you will receive a confirmation message from UIDAI. Unlocking your Aadhaar card. Regaining access to your identity online method. Start by visiting the official UIDAI website. Go to the My Aadhaar tab. Within this tab, locate the Aadhaar services section. Click on the Aadhaar lock or unlock option. Choose the unlock UID option. Enter your 16-digit virtual ID. Click the send OTP button. Enter the OTP sent to your registered mobile number and submit the request. Locking your Aadhaar card is a crucial step in safeguarding your personal information and preventing unauthorized access. By following this step-by-step guide, you can easily secure your Aadhaar card online, protecting your biometric data from scammers and fraudsters. Take control of your privacy by locking your Aadhaar card today. Thank you for watching 4sidestv with me Anjali.